Welcome to this Coinify review. Today, we're going to give you a full walkthrough of the Coinify platform. Coinify has quickly become one of the most popular exchanges for buying, selling, and storing cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a newcomer or an experienced user, this platform offers a variety of features that make it an appealing choice for anyone looking to enter the crypto market. The website's interface is clean and user-friendly, which is a great advantage, especially for beginners. When you first sign up, you can easily access a wide selection of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. Once you're logged in, Coinify presents a simple, intuitive dashboard where you can check your balance, view recent transactions, and explore the trading options available. The platform supports both crypto-to-crypto and crypto-to-fiat transactions, allowing you to either buy and sell using digital currencies or regular fiat money like USD or Euro. When it comes to buying crypto, Coinify allows you to use a range of payment methods, including credit cards, bank transfers, and even PayPal, making it easy to fund your account or make purchases on the go. However, it's important to note that the fees on Coinify can vary depending on the payment method you choose. So always check before making a transaction. One of the standout features of Coinify is its focus on security. The platform uses robust encryption technologies and offers two-factor authentication, 2FA, to ensure that your account is secure at all times. With Coinify, you can feel confident that your assets are safe from unauthorized access. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Now, let's dive deeper into the Coinify trading experience. Coinify offers a variety of tools and charts to help you analyze the market and make informed trading decisions. You can track the performance of different cryptocurrencies and set price alerts for specific assets. The platform is also known for its competitive exchange rates, which ensures you get a fair deal when buying or selling your crypto. Coinify also offers a wallet feature, allowing users to store their crypto directly on the platform. The wallet is designed with a high level of security, and you can easily transfer assets between your Coinify account and external wallets. If you're looking to withdraw funds, Coinify provides multiple options. You can withdraw to your bank account or send your crypto to another wallet. Keep in mind that withdrawal fees may apply, and the time it takes to complete the transaction can vary depending on the method. If you're interested in trading on the go, Coinify also offers a mobile app, which allows you to manage your assets from your smartphone. The app has a similar user interface to the website, making it easy to buy, sell, and track your crypto assets. Coinify is a platform that stands out due to its simplicity, security, and ease of use. It's a great choice for both beginners and experienced crypto traders who want to buy, sell, or store digital assets. The platform's low fees and variety of payment methods make it a convenient option for anyone looking to dive into the world of cryptocurrency. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more crypto reviews and tips.